Dry and damaged hair requires special treatment, so today we're going to be doing a treatment for dry and damaged hair using Visible Repair Treatment Mask and Visible Repair Serum mixed together to create a lot of nourishment and repair the hair. Follow me through the step-by-steps as we go through the treatment service. Before starting the service, do a thorough hair and scalp analysis. Shampoo the hair with Visible Repair shampoo. Work into a rich lather and rinse. Repeat again if necessary. Towel dry the hair and gently comb through. Depending on hair length, mix 60 grams of the Visible Repair treatment with 10 grams of the Visible Repair serum. Apply off scalp and work the mixture through to the mid-lengths and ends. Follow this procedure over the rest of the head until each section is completed. After 5 to 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly from the hair. Blow dry and style the hair as desired. To add further repair and prevent the ends from splitting, apply Visible Repair Ends Balm to nourish the dry and damaged areas of the hair. This is the fantastic result of the Visible Repair treatment service, mixing the Visible Repair treatment with the Visible Repair serum. After the service, we've used the Visible Repair Ends Balm, worked through the mid-lengths and the ends. Fantastic result.